Welcome. Dr. V. Reddy's. Check and improve knowledge. Topic is water. Quiz part. 1. Check and improve knowledge. Please write 1 to 20 numbers on a white paper and note down your answers after each MCQ. Then check your answers with answers given. Practice makes a man perfect. 1. Water exists in A. Single form, B. 2 forms, C. 3 forms, D. 4 forms. Two. Earth is a watery planet, with 71% of its surface covered in water. 96.5% of it is salt water. Only 3% is fresh water. Of the fresh water, what percentage is available for human use? A. 0.3%, B. 0.03%, C. 30%, D. 3%. Three. The atmosphere contains water in the form of water vapor, which is a gas. As air rises, it cools, and the water vapor changes to a liquid or water droplets, or a solid or ice crystals. When more water vapor forms droplets or ice crystals, these droplets or ice crystals grow larger and clump together, forming the visible clouds in the sky. The change of the state of matter from the gas phase, water vapor, into the liquid phase, water droplets, is called A. Precipitation, B. Evaporation, C. Condensation, D. Deposition. Four. The change of the state of matter from the gas phase, water vapor, into the solid phase, ice crystals, bypassing the liquid phase is called A. Precipitation, B. Evaporation, C. Condensation, D. Deposition. Five. Condensation is a physical change. It occurs when warm air collides with cold surfaces or when there is too much humidity. Water droplets on the outer surface of cold drink bottle, morning dew on the grass, foggy car windows are examples. Its commercial applications are in power generation, water desalination, thermal management, etc. Condensation process is reverse, opposite of A. Freezing, B. Evaporation, C. Sublimation, D. Transpiration. Six. The process occurs in the atmosphere when warm air rises up and cools down to its dew point, or air becomes so saturated with water vapor that it cannot hold any more water. It is important to the water cycle as it is responsible for the formation of clouds, which ultimately comes down in the form of rain. It is used in various industrial processes for separating mixtures and manufacturing pure substances. The process is A. Precipitation, B. Condensation, C. Deposition, D. Evaporation. Seven. The Earth holds an estimated 1,386 billion cubic kilometers, or 333 million cubic miles of water. The sum of Earth's water, in the ocean, the ground, on the surface, and in the air, is called A. Hydrosphere, B. Hydrology, C. Lithosphere, D. Atmosphere. Eight. Water is essential for all life on Earth and it a significant component of human bodies. Only 3% of water on the Earth is fresh water. Where is most fresh water found on Earth? A. Underground. B. Lakes, rivers, swamps, and wetlands. C. Glaciers and ice caps. D. Both A and B. 9. Evaporation is a form of vaporization in which a liquid or solid is transformed into vapor. This is a physical change involves the change of state of water molecules and not its chemical composition. Surface area, wind speed, and temperature are directly proportional to the rate of evaporation. The amount of water vapor present in the air is called A. Mist, B. Fog, C. Dew, D. Humidity. Ten. Evaporation at a given place is always dependent on the humidity of that place. What happens to the rate of evaporation when humidity increases? A. Decreases. B. Increases. C. No change. D. None of the above. 11. The process of water movement from soil through a plant and its evaporation from aerial parts, such as leaves, stems, and flowers to the atmosphere, evaporation of water from leaf, surface, and the subsequent creation of a water potential gradient that pulls water upwards from the roots. This process is called A. Freezing, B. Evaporation, C. Sublimation, D. Transpiration. 12. The process which provides 10% of moisture in the atmosphere, evaporative cooling for plants, exchange of gases, maintains water within the plant and cell turgidity, helps in cell division, allows the movement of water and minerals from the soil to different parts of the plant, helps in growth and development of the plant. This process is A. Sublimation, B. Photosynthesis, C. Precipitation, D. Transpiration. 13. A phenomenon in which condensed water vapor, when the water droplets in clouds become too heavy, fall on the Earth's surface under the influence of gravity in the form of rain, hail, snow, or sleet is called A. Precipitation, B. Evaporation, C. Sublimation, D. Transpiration. 'Precipitation plays a crucial role in water cycle, acting as the primary mechanism for water to return from the atmosphere to the Earth's surface, replenishing water sources and supporting ecosystems. Precipitation is always A. Salt water, B. Fresh water, C. Mixed water, D. Acidic water. 15. When pollutants like oxides of nitrogen and sulfur released from human activities and natural sources react with water, oxygen, and other chemicals in the atmosphere and come down with the rain, then this results in A. Convectional rainfall, B. Orographic rainfall, C. Cyclonic rainfall, D. Acid rain. 16. The transition of a substance directly from the solid to the gas state without passing through the liquid state is called A. Precipitation, B. Evaporation, C. Sublimation, D. Transpiration. 17. Water vapor changes directly into ice, such as frost and snowflakes. This is an example of A. Precipitation, B. Condensation, C. Deposition, D. Evaporation. 18. Freezing point of water, the temperature at which water turn into ice is A. 100 degrees Celsius, B. above 100 degrees Celsius, C. 0 degrees Celsius, D. 10 degrees Celsius. 19. Liquids have a lower density than solids. However, ice has low density than water and floats on water. The density of ice is approximately 0.92 grams per cubic centimeter, which is less than the density of water, 1 gram per cubic centimeter. At what temperature water reaches its maximum density? A. -4 degrees Celsius. B. 0 degrees Celsius. C. 4 degrees Celsius. D. 100 degrees Celsius. 20. Underground layer of permeable rock or sand that collects, holds, and conducts water is called A. Aquifer, B. Glacier, C. Frost, D. Stream. Please check answers. 1. C. 3 forms. 2. A. 0.3%. 3. C. Condensation. 4. D. Deposition. 5. B. Evaporation. 6. B. Condensation. 7. A. Hydrosphere. 8. C. Glaciers and ice caps. 9. D. Humidity. 10. A. Decreases. 11. D. Transpiration. 12. D. Transpiration. 13. A. Precipitation. 14. B. Fresh water. 15. D. Acid rain. 16. C. Sublimation. 17. C. Deposition. 18. C. 0 degrees Celsius. 19. C. 4 degrees Celsius. 20. A. Aquifer. Knowledge is one of the most powerful assets anyone can possess, serving as the foundation for personal fulfillment and collective advancement. The value of knowledge is immense and multifaceted, shaping personal growth, societal progress, and innovation. We are preparing these quizzes to useful for every school student and who are aspiring success in higher competitive exams. Please provide your valuable comments to improve these quizzes. We will try to incorporate and also like, subscribe, and share these quizzes to everyone, finally to reach the needful. Repeated practice leads to great success. If you have OTT option for your TV network, you can watch this video on TV relaxedly on YouTube and can improve knowledge. Thank you. Have a great day.